Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my journey of self-love where I discover everything about self-love, self-confidence, self-belief, self-care, self-growth and many more. So it took me many years to realize that you need to prioritize yourself. Nobody is coming to push you and make you feel special. Rather you yourself need to take care of yourself a little more extra. You have to go out, you have to do things whatever you want to do. I've always thought that my friends, my family, my loved ones, they will come and take me out somewhere, they will come and make me feel special, but I was living in a very wrong notion. The day I started loving myself a little more extra, I felt and I realized that the world, my life, everything is so beautiful. I am just obsessed with my life. I am in love with myself. I am in love with every version of myself. So in this video, whatever I do, it's everything about acts of self-love. So I have started prioritizing myself. I have started doing things that makes me feel happy. So it's a Saturday and I have done a little bit of glam. No, it's not little bit, it's a little extra, a little more, but that's okay. I am giving myself a little extra love, a little extra special care. So yeah, this is the result. So I am honestly not a professional makeup artist, but I just keep practicing and make myself better. I am in love with makeup therapy. I love doing makeup and I love how this has turned out. I look so beautiful. My eye makeup looks so beautiful. I am just obsessed with this eye look. Oh my god. Okay. So now what I'm thinking is that I am going to take out my mom for a pamper session. I love spending time with my family during weekends. And yeah, so let's go out for some time and I'll see if I want to do something. If not, then I'll just enjoy some time with my mom. So मुझे हमेशा ये confusion रहा है that self love का मतलब होता है meditation, journaling or saying affirmation. Those are beautiful, but I have realized that taking care of yourself is also equally important. For me, skincare, a small routine, a daily habit, or putting on a mask or a bold lipstick, those are my love languages, and I think it helps me to connect myself with my energy, my confidence, and it helps me to heal better. So this segment of the video is all about Nykaa haul, which I've been eyeing on from a very long time. I recently got them delivered and I got them not because I needed them, but I just wanted to treat myself in a better way. And it's my way of saying that, hey, you deserve this. So I have got a bunch of products. These are just the Nykaa Luxe. I have one more, two more packages basically which had the normal drugstore products. So I am thinking to do a haul only of makeup. Okay, I am skipping skincare in this video because otherwise ये video बहुत ज़्यादा long हो जाएगी. तो मैं ये सोच रही हूँ कि skincare मैं आपको next video में दिखाऊंगी. So for that you have to stay tuned for the next video. Right now I'm gonna show you all about makeup and I also have this cute little box here जहाँ पे मैंने सारे freebies रखे हैं. So basically Nykaa has literally pampered with me with so many cute mini stuffs. तो वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी and it's all about makeup. So let's start one by one. So before starting the haul, let me tell you, I'm not going to open any of the products which I have right now here. You have to wait for my shorts video because I'm thinking to make a detailed one there. So stay tuned for all the shots that I make using these new products that I have. So okay, let's start with this first product. So this is a cream contour from Forever 52. Just can't wait to try this. Okay, the second one that I have is these two beautiful eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. These are like gorgeous. The shades are so pretty. I just can't wait to make some interesting makeup looks. I've also got a Maybelline New York Fit Me matte poreless primer. I have never used a matte primer basically. I've used the dewy ones. This has also SPF 20, so I just can't wait to see how does your makeup look when you use a matte primer. Second, I have this from Maybelline. So this is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. So yeah, this is so gorgeous. The packaging is so good. Next, I have an eyeliner from K Beauty. So I have a lot of colors in this brand. This is so good. This is really good. I have green in color, I have brown in color. So I got a black one this time. Now I've got this one. So this is also very gorgeous packaging. This is a micro precision eyebrow pencil. So let's see how does my eyebrows turn out to be after using it. I've also got a lip liner from Fay Beauty. This is brown in color. मुझे काफी टाइम से brown lip liner लेने का मन था, and I think Fay Beauty is doing amazingly good. So I just can't wait to make some good lip combos, and you know where to watch it. I've also got a makeup brush from Nykaa. So ये काफी ज्यादा डिस्काउंट पे था, like 50% ऐसा डिस्काउंट चल रहा था. And this is so soft. The bristles are so soft. So basically this is a contour and a blush brush. So yeah, this is so good. I like it. I got a tinted sunscreen from Plum. So this one is the rice water and niacinamide sheer tinted sunscreen. So इससे ना काफी अच्छा dewy ऐसा makeup looks आता है. Summer के लिए काफी अच्छा है. So can't wait to try it. Then I have these two cute bottles. So this is also again from Nykaa. तो ये pink in color है, my current obsession. And this one is a nail hardener. ये काफी टाइम तक आपके nails को hard रखता है और आपका nail paint काफी टाइम तक रहता है. It doesn't get fade away. So yeah, this is really good. You can try it out. मैंने एक कलर बार का ऑन द वे मेकअप रिमूवर वाइब्स भी मंगा लिया है क्योंकि ये ट्रैवलिंग के टाइम पे काफी ज्यादा काम आता है. Then I also got a nail filer. This is again pink in color and this is from Iconic Basics. So yeah, it's good. Now it's time for the luxury products and I'm so excited to use them because I have never used them and this is one of my dream makeup brands and I've always wanted to use it. मैंने काफी टाइम से इसको अपने कार्ट में रखने के बाद finally I decided I should get this. So this splurge is because I just want to say thank you to myself for surviving the bad days and the hard times and showing up for myself when nobody stood by. This one is for myself. This one is for just being me. So these two Charlotte Tilbury products, these are so gorgeous. The packaging is so luxury. So first one I have the Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. So I am going to use it very soon. And this is a lipstick which I got. This is in the shade Kissing. I've also made a short and a reel that you can check out. I also got this from Benefit Cosmetics. This is a brow wax and I've seen a lot of videos and this is really good. So now it's time for some Nykaa gifts haul. I've got a bunch of gifts here and these are really cool stuff. Let me start one by one. So first I have this lipstick from Rude Cosmetics. So this is the Attitude Creamy Matte Lipstick. This is pink in shade. Then I have this from Laneige. So this one is a bouncy firm sleeping mask. Then I got this from Plum. इसमें दो चीजें हैं. एक है Plum Rice Water Niacinamide SPF जो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी दिखाया जिसका बड़ा पैकेजिंग मैंने लिया है और दूसरा है Plum Body Loving Lily Mist Sunshine SPF 35. I also got these two mini pouches from Kiehl's. So one is the Ultra Facial Cream and other one is the Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. I also got this from Nat Habit. So this one is a fresh hair nutri mask. मैं इसका hair oil use करती हूँ जो काफी अच्छा है तो इसका mask भी अच्छा होगा. Now I got this from Clinique and यहाँ पे foundation उनका new launches है and you can see there are 3 shades of foundation and I just can't wait to try all of them. तो काफी ज़्यादा overhyped product है. I don't know how it is. Let me try this one. Next one I have this from Dot & Key. This is a toner basically. This is from Bioderma और मेरे पास इसका है this cute mini. This one is what? Foaming cream. So this was it for the Nykaa haul and I just want to say one thing. If you're waiting for a sign to do something kind for yourself, this is the one. Go take a long shower, try a new lipstick, do a guilt-free resetting and this, my dear, is what self-love is. Okay, after being obsessed with myself and this pretty makeup look, I'm gonna go take this makeup off, do a hydrating skincare, have my dinner, come back for a movie and then I'll sleep. So I'll see you in a while. I am back home and right now I'm gonna go try a new tea. So basically one of my colleague has given me a Darjeeling tea. He has got it from Darjeeling. So it's a milk tea which I'm going to make and prepare and just will see how it tastes. I'm so excited for it because you know I am excited for all kind of beverages. So yeah, let's go and make some good tea. This is what the tea looks like. I don't know what it is. This is a milk tea. So let's open this. सो गाइज चाय बन गई है. अभी टाइम है टेस्ट करने का. सो लेट्स टेस्ट इट. यस, इट्स नाइस, वेरी गुड. मम्मी को भी टेस्ट कराया मैंने. কেমন লাগছে? शी इज अ लिटिल शाय.
মন ভরে যাচ্ছে.
This is so good. Thank you, my friend. So, guys, my tea is here, and this is really good. This is actually very good. I'm gonna have it again tomorrow, maybe. I have not added any sugar or anything, but tomorrow I am going to make it again, adding sugar or maybe jaggery powder, and then फिर मैं taste करूँगी and let's see how it tastes. अभी I am going to enjoy the tea. And meanwhile, I enjoy my tea. I want to also talk about the way I have started journaling. It's really helping me, and so I want to share it with you guys. This is also one of the acts of self love. So basically, if you start writing journal from today and after doing it regularly, your cortisol hormone is going to get reduced. The best way it is said to do journaling is expressive writing. You need to express yourself. You need to write everything possible, whatever is there in your heart, whatever is disturbing you, and you need to write everything over there because that's your safe place. Nobody's going to read it because it's your own diary, and you can write everything without thinking that who's gonna judge me. So yeah, it's a best way of writing. Now, if I talk about the time limit, that how much time you should dedicate for writing, so there is no possible time limit. It says that 10 to 15 minutes is the right timing actually, but you can extend it up to however you want to if there is so much going on inside your mind and head. So you can write, however long you want to write, but yeah, at least bare minimum 5 minutes you should spend in journaling. Okay, what else? What would be the right time to journal? So the right time would be when you are in your bed. So basically, when your entire day is over, you take your book out and you write everything, whatever has happened in your entire day. You can write good things also. You can write whatever bad has happened to you. So I'm right now using 3 diaries, one of which is my manifestation diary. So it is said that आपको mix नहीं करना है because you are manifesting good things. But when you write what has happened in your day-to-day life, it can be something boring, something bad, or something sad has happened. So you should not write the bad things and the good things that you're manifesting together in one book. So I have 2 books. So this little book here, I got it from Star Mark. This is so pretty, something like ऐसे Egyptian type का vibe देता है. This is really good, एकदम silver, bronze, metallic type. So I have been expressing myself here in this diary. I write it every single day during the night. This pretty cute diary that I have, this is a planner basically, and I write everything. Like this has affirmation quotes as well. So I keep manifesting good things here so that it gets done for me. So I have this diary here. This is pretty old, but I use it just to write the to-do list, like what all things I need to do. I need to finish up for within a week or within a month or within a particular day. So if there is anything, a long list, I just keep writing it down over here in this diary. Now I also have got this cute, I have not even taken out the packet, और ये भी बहुत cute सा है, फ्लावरी बबली जस्ट लाइक मी. तो ये मेरा नया एक जर्नल बुक है जो मैंने अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया है. द फ्रेंड हु हैज गिफ्टेड मी दिस थिंग इज गोइंग टू kill me if he knows that I've not started writing it yet, because this was gifted to me during my birthday in Jan. तो मैं ये सोच रही हूँ कि कल मैं इसका उद्घाटन करूँ. So tomorrow I'm going to write down everything, and this is so pretty. It has stickers, it has a lot of other segments which is not there in other diaries that I'm using. इसमें बहुत सारे segments हैं. मैं एक detailed video बनाऊंगी tomorrow for sure. I have written down something, a letter to myself. It's also an act of self-love. So it's a letter to my future self, which I want to say, who's more mature, more grown up, who understands what is self-love and has mastered the meaning of self-love basically. So here it goes, nothing personal, it's just a thought. Most people won't support you at the start, not because they hate you, but because they can't see what you see. They wait for proof, for applause, for others to believe first. If you want to build something great, you have to master the skill of cheering for yourself, because by the time the world finally gets it, you will already have made your vision a reality. I am done with journaling, and right now I'm going to do something really interesting. This is something that I have seen over the internet and मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, so मुझे लगा कि मुझे भी करना चाहिए. So these are some of the sticky notes that I have. So what I have to do is I have to write something good about myself, like something affirmation quotes or something which I have been feeling this entire week, and I have to stick on somewhere जहाँ पे मैं रोज देखती हूँ, like a mirror or the almirah or something like that. तो मैं लिखने वाली हूँ कुछ चीज़ें, एंड देन इसको स्टिक करते हैं. ओके, आई हैव गॉट माय पेन. What should I write? Okay, let's think. Let's paste these. So I've written, you are the best version of yourself. The second sticker is you're pretty, you're confident. And the third one is that you work hard and you are consistent. I'm in my bed right now and the room is quite cozy. It's cold and currently I'm watching The Life List, which is in Netflix. It just got released like a few days ago. It's about a young woman who doesn't have a perfect life, a perfect boyfriend, but she's trying to fulfill her bucket list, which she got from her dead mother. So yeah, it's quite motivating, quite good. I'm gonna watch the entire movie tonight and then call it a day. It's a wrap on the Nika haul and a little self-love chat. I hope you liked something about this video. This video should remind you to treat yourself better, to take care of yourself. So if you liked hanging around with me, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Comment down below the best part of the video. I'll see you next time in the next one. Till then, I appreciate you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.